Cementing our foothold and presence in the Middle East region, AIR6 Systems participated in the UMEX Unmanned Systems exhibition and conference to showcase our specialized solutions in the wind, solar, and oil and gas industries. During the event, we had the privilege of presenting our drone solar solution, also known as DrSOLAR or DrSOLAR, in the final rounds of the Next Gen Innovation Pitch competition. This marked the official launch of our novel solution for the solar sector. DrSOLAR combines cutting-edge features of the AIR4 Rugged drone with an onboard processor integrated with a novel SWIR sensor and is supported by advanced detection and classification AI. Our comprehensive technology provides solar farm operators or their O&M service providers an unparalleled tool to efficiently identify with high precision faulty solar panels. By streamlining and optimizing the maintenance process, DrSOLAR goes beyond innovation. It's a cost-effective solution that significantly reduces operational expenses for solar industry operators and provides solid evidence for early replacement of faulty solar panels.